Today we are going to talk about how to translate word problems to mathematical expressions and how to graph lines using technology. The only thing you have to remember is that to be a little bit better in this subject, which is very, very important in math, is you need to do as much practice as you can. There is no set process that you have to follow to be able to translate English into mathematical expressions. The only thing I can recommend is just doing as many problems and practice as you can. So we are going to do a few examples here. Just hopefully it's going to show you how do you have to go about solving problems. The first question which is being asked is, how do you translate the value 5 increased by a number? Going from left to right, you see that this 5 is just a number. Increased in math means addition by a number. A number is unknown here, so we denote it with x. So I can write this one as x plus 5. A number is increased by 5. That was pretty simple. The next one is half of a value decreased by 7. Again, I'm going to go from left to right. Half is 1 over 2. Of in the math means multiplied. A value means x, unknown. Decreased means subtracted. And 7 is just 7, and is 1 means it's equal to 1. So I'm going to write half of a number decreased by 7 is equal to 1. You can either stop here, as the problem doesn't ask you to find a value, but you can go ahead and use your prior knowledge in grade 9 and solve this one for x. The next example says that Mario's daily earning is $80 plus 12% commission. First of all, earning, I'm going to write it as a variable, let's say E. 80 is 80, no change. 12% in math, I'm going to write it as 0.12. Remember, percent means division by 100. So 12 divided by 100, which is going to give you 0.12. Of his commission. Commission is on his sales, and we have no idea how much is the sale. So let's represent sales with S. So I can write earning is $80 plus, I forgot, it's addition, so it's plus 0.12 S. So far, so good. Let's try the next problem. Now the next problem is a little bit more involved. There are more words to read and comprehend. It says that Ian owns a small plane. He pays $50 per hour for flying time and $300 per month for hangar fees. So for his cost, in this case, we can write that C1, let's say cost for this scenario, is $300 per month plus $50 per hour. Since hour is not known, I'm going to use T as a time. If Ian rented the same type of plane at the local flying club, it would cost him $100 per hour. So C2, which is the second scenario, he's going to pay 100T. The question is that after how many after how many hours the cost for the two scenarios are going to be equal. So this means that 300 plus 50T1 plus 50T, which is cost 1, has to be equal to cost 2, which is 100T. Knowing from grade 9 to solve this, I'm going to move 50T to the right, so I get 300 is 100T minus 50T, which is going to give me 50T. To isolate T, I'm going to divide by 50, and from here I get T is equal to 6 hours. So after 6 hours flying, the cost would be the same if he either uses his own plane or he rents it from another club. The next example is the following. I have two equations. One is x minus y is equal to negative 1, and the other one 2x minus y is equal to 2. What are the coordinates of the point of intersection? Now, to understand what exactly is a point of intersection, I'm going to draw two lines here. They intercept at this point. This is called point of intersection, or POI. So for this example, I have to draw these two lines, and then I have to find out by inspection what is the point of intersection. I'm going to use the technology to solve this problem. As I mentioned in the classroom, one of the best sites for plotting graphs is desmos.com. So I am going to launch the site, and then I'm going to type x minus y is equal to negative 1, which is going to be this red line, and then on the second input I'm going to type 2x minus y is equal to 2. Now the second line is going to be in blue. If you look at these two lines and click on the point of intersection, you will see that the value 3 and 4 pops up, and this is the coordinate of point of intersection, which is x equal to 3 and y equal to 4. Our next example concerns with the decision on picking two internet companies. One of these companies, IT Plus, charges a flat rate of $25 per month. So let's write this one as CIT to be $25 a month, no matter how many hours you use the internet. For the next one, Techies, I'm going to use CTECH. The cost is $10 per month plus $1 per hour. Since hour is not known, I'm going to use T to denote the variable. Now, if Brian and Catherine, they use 18 hours per month, which plan is better? If they use 18 hours per month with the IT, the cost is $25. It doesn't matter how many hours. But with the Techies, the cost is 10 plus 1 times 18, which is 10 plus 18, which is going to be 28. Comparing 25 and 28, it is obvious that the plan with IT is a better plan. The next question again is to find the point of intersection of two lines, and we have to find this POI using technology. Again, we are going to use our site desmos.com to plot the lines and investigate the point of intersection and solving the problem. Okay, we are going to type the first equation, which is equal to be y is equal to seems to be a problem here. Y is equal to x minus 12, and then the next equation is y is equal to minus 3x plus 20. If you look at these two lines, you can see that the point of intersection is at 8 and negative 4, meaning x is 8, y is negative 4.